Hey everybody, it's Brett from Lost Hiway. We're here today highlighting our new product. This is our microwave cabinet that we've finally gotten into production. It's been about 6 months in designing this thing and getting it to where we really wanted it. She is ready to go, ready to place orders on it. We have 10 in production right now. It's kind of a short batch run. We'll go over some of the details of this. Currently, this microwave cabinet is only being manufactured in our standard 28-inch length. The actual shell of this cabinet is exactly the same spec as our normal cabinets. So when you link this next to one of our regular overhead cabinets, either your Transit or your Sprinter, same dimensions, same cabinet, everything. So it flows nice and smoothly with the other cabinets that you may have in your van, or this can just be a standalone unit if you just want one cabinet. So looking at this right here, what we've done is I've made an access panel on the front of this. This is removable. It's got captive fasteners in the back, so all you gotta do is remove the 4 screws. You can open this up. That gives you access to actually strap the microwave down in the back. We'll show you that feature here in a minute. It's a nice secure strap holding the rear in place. Gives you access to be able to plug the microwave into your 110 receptacle. And you can actually use this faceplate here for any other kind of controls you have in your van. If you're building your van, you want to put maybe your EcoFlow monitoring system here, or your S-bar heater control switches. This gives you a good blank space here for a panel to put all your electrical stuff in, and plenty of room back here for wire routing. So it's kind of a 2-in-1 cabinet. We give this panel added on here for those accessories. The microwave. It is a Black & Decker 700-watt microwave. Not the most powerful unit in the market, but it's the most compact we could find. We're building around this one only, this specific microwave. Sorry, stainless steel front. When you order the cabinet, it will be built with the microwave in it. We install this here at our facility. So when you get this cabinet, either through your builder or if you want to order it from us, it will come with the microwave installed. The reason why is we do have a little custom work here on the top to bolt it to our retainer ring. But then once it's done, you can actually take these 3 bolts off here, then remove them, undo the strap in the back, and the whole microwave slides out. So if you need to replace it, service it, do whatever, actually install your cabinet, you're gonna take this out first, remove the microwave, you're gonna install your cabinet up in your van with our typical mounting holes we use in the top and back. So that's basically it as far as our this unit. It will be available soon in the 52-inch model. It's not on the drawing board just yet, but now that we have everything laid out here, it should make an easy transition to go to the 52-inch model. So if you're wanting that, please be patient. We'll get that out soon, but currently we are taking orders for the 28-inch model, again, for the Transit van and Sprinter vans, and they can be adapted to the Sprinter with the factory headliner in our factory headliner cabinet. Hit up our website and get your order placed.